Hello, this is Mark from Productive Computing, and this is a video to tell you about a new service offering. Over the last several years, we've had customers ask us for a maintenance type program to set up a situation where they can call us and not be charged for every call. So we've done that. We've actually created a program here where you can pay a low monthly fee based on the number of users in your system, and we will provide general support and maintenance for your FileMaker system. Now, these requests will be small in nature, but they are really unlimited. So you can call us as many times as you'd like and get the advantage of our team and our FileMaker expertise to help you with your system and to make your system run better. So other things like, what if I want to move a button from left to right? Or what if I want to add a portal or for some information? Or what if a new employee comes and I want to be trained, or I want that employee to be trained on the basics of FileMaker? All of that can be covered under the maintenance program. Now, the idea would be once you engage with your FileMaker system more and you get the most out of it, you'll probably want to call us for the next big thing. Let's say you want to add a module for inventory, or you want to connect to QuickBooks, or any of those other features that we can offer. That becomes a lot easier for us because we're in your system already on a regular basis, and you're in your system understanding what it can do, and you're getting the most out of it because you have that regular maintenance with us. So if you take a look at the website, you'll see all kinds of features of the program. It's really feature-rich relative to the investment. Things like unlimited support requests, unlimited training on FileMaker Pro usage, FileMaker Solution Health Assessment. That's normally valued at $1,000, but we throw that in. Anyone who's on maintenance can get that health assessment. We also offer free and unconditional use of Productive Computing University, which is advanced FileMaker training on topics that you can't get anywhere else. Then we have consultation on programming best practices, so we work with you to make sure you're getting the most out of your FileMaker system. And finally, we provide an annual workflow audit and recommendations report. And this is a report that really comes out once a year in and around the time that FileMaker releases their new version. And we can say, this is what the new version of FileMaker can provide. This is how it can work with your system. These are ways that you can get the most out of your FileMaker system. So have a look at this offering, and if it speaks to you and it's something that you'd be interested in for your company, let us know. You can also fill out the form here on the website to get more information. And thanks for watching.